After listening to this for just 5 minutes, they will immediately text or call you. We will dedicate 5 minutes, yes, only that much, maybe even less. And this will be very helpful for you to receive a message or call from that person who is special to you. You know, sometimes everything unfolds as if it were meticulously planned. It's as if the weaver of time, in an extraordinary manner, places every thread of the events we need in the loom of our lives. We often perceive these occurrences as miraculous events. Everyone interprets these events from their own perspective. Now, you are about to attract one of these into your life. By listening to this video, you are elevating your vibration to draw the message or call from the person whose voice you want to hear. You are increasing your awareness and thus collaborating with the universe on a spiritual frequency dimension. So listen to this for 5 minutes and prepare yourself for the message or call that will come instantly from that special person. Are you ready? I know you are, so let's get started. Visualize a light extending from above, from infinity directly onto the top of your head. Visualize its brightness captivating your vision. It's a pure white color, an eternal beam of light. If you find it challenging to visualize, just feel its presence. If you can't sense it either, simply know that it's there. Right above your head, an endless beam of light is rising. This light is flowing towards you in a continuous stream from the sky. It bathes your entire body, enveloping your energy field, transforming it into a radiant white essence. You feel the flow of energy as the light moves toward you. Along with the brightness, you sense the continuous flow of energy into your body. While this light flows towards you, it gradually increases your gravitational force. Your gravitational field is expanding continuously. You inhale the light like a breath. You accept it into your body. You feel the energy exchange it creates within your body. Take a deep breath and focus on the circulation of light within your physical presence and energy field as you exhale. You sense that the light is enhancing your spiritual gravitational force. The wisdom of self-value and awareness is integrated into your being. You are shining brightly. Are you aware of it? Imagine that the person whose voice you want to hear is thinking about you right now. You're moving beyond just imagining, slowly. You feel it, you know it. At this moment, you perceive their thoughts. You feel the fusion of their thought world and inner mechanisms with your mind. You distinctly feel their state of being. The version of you in their mind is gaining strength, becoming more powerful. The thoughts enriched by your presence make them realize the value they give to you. You sense the transformation of energy. Their perception of you becomes even more positive. They are trying to make sense of the attraction they feel towards you. They can't help but think about you. With each passing second, you become their only thought. From this moment on, as you listen to this recording and every time thereafter, the thought of communicating with you is firmly embedded in their mind, thanks to the elevated energy you've created. They desire to be close to you. The urge to write to you and call you is almost unstoppable within them. Inhale the light. Let the light that surrounds your body slowly expand into your energy field. Fill your lungs with air and feel the energy surrounding your body along with this air. While doing this, feel the expansion of your gravitational field as the light expands around you. They are thinking of you. They want to get closer to you. They desire to be close to you. You feel a tingling sensation as you perceive this. You sense tingling at the roots of your hair. It's as if they are present in the room with you. They are looking at you. You might feel excited or maybe a little scared, and that's normal. At the same time, these sensory perceptions make you feel amazing, both for yourself and to yourself. Right now, the universe is collaborating with you to grant you this deepest desire. You know this, you feel it in your heart, and you genuinely believe it. The presence of the person in your mind's life is getting stronger and stronger, transforming into a perfect reality. From this moment on, they are moments away from calling you or messaging you. They can't resist this urge. They can't stop this feeling within them. As of this moment, with every breath you take, their only thought is to call you or message you. You feel that the light is expanding even more in your energy field. The magnetism is growing. You sense that their desire for you has reached almost uncontrollable dimensions. Now it's time to let go. Stop thinking about both of you together. Within minutes, they will text or call you suddenly. After receiving this call, for the connection established between you two, remind yourself of the feelings of gratitude that you feel inside. Feel it. For definite and incredible results, Make sure to repeat this practice every day with great belief. Keep doing it, keep believing, and keep embracing beautiful outcomes. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Take care until the next video. Glad you're here,